Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new update for your Google Drive files, and that is improved workflow for expiring access controls. So previously you'd have to share the file out with someone, give them either view only or comment only privilege, and then you would be able to add the expiration after you've shared the file out with them. Well, times have changed. Now, we're in a doc that if you look in the upper right, this is private to me and only me. I haven't shared it out with anyone yet. So two changes have occurred. One, I can now share this file out with someone, and in the menu to the right to pick permission level, I have the option to add that expiration right from the get-go. The second piece, as you'll notice here, is I now have the ability to give them edit privilege and add an expiration all in one go. So I don't have to do this in separate stages. So with that, just be aware that that is now here. If you would, please check below in the description to know what license level will have availability for this feature, because not all licenses will have that. So until we meet again, another day, another time, another update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.